driving you up the wall. Understanding this colorful English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase, driving up the wall. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what it meant? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's decode this phrase together and learn how to use it in daily conversation. Driving up the wall is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says that something or someone is driving them up the wall, they mean that it's making them extremely irritated or annoyed. Imagine the frustration being so intense that it could figuratively push you up the walls of the room. It's a vivid way to express a strong feeling of annoyance without using direct language. The exact origins of driving up the wall are a bit murky, as is the case with many idiomatic expressions. However, it's believed to have been popularized in the mid-20th century. The imagery suggests a level of frustration so intense that one feels the need to escape, even if it means going up and over the walls. Idioms like this one add color and emotion to language, allowing speakers to express their feelings in a creative way. To help you understand how to use driving up the wall in context, let's look at some examples. 1. The constant construction noise outside my window is driving me up the wall. 2. Please stop tapping your pen on the table. It's driving me up the wall. 3. My neighbor's dog barks all night long, and it's really driving me up the wall. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to express a strong annoyance caused by a repetitive or continuous action. Use it to express frustration or annoyance in informal situations. It's perfect for conversations with friends or in casual settings. Be mindful of the context. Since it conveys a strong emotion, it might not be appropriate in very formal or professional settings. Pair it with a smile or a laugh when the situation isn't seriously troubling, to make sure your tone and message are clear. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, driving up the wall. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to enrich your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and useful English language tips. See you next time.